Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is we will check our ADCB application that we have already charged by 15 dirham every month. So if you see this one guys, the charges, so you can see that monthly from December and November, December until January, they will charge you 15 dirham for relationship fee for ADCB. So if your savings account is not reached 3,000, they will charge you monthly 15 dirham. So as you can see guys, I will share my screen recorder. So you will go in the transaction or your account transaction. Then you can see we have 15 dirham less. This is from January 26. So every 26 of the month, they will charge you 15 dirham for the relationship fee for your account if not reached 3,000 dirham in your daily average balance. So for this guys, you can close your account so that there will be no charge for the relationship fee. So first guys, you will go in your account, then select this service request number. Okay, you will create service request, then click this service request. Okay, then select for closure. So request account closure. So after you select the account closure guys, so just select account current and savings account, then request type is account closure. Then there is reason for account closure. For me, I click this quality of service. Then check I have read and agree the information available here. Then if you check that one guys, just click agree then submit. Okay. So submit this guys, this request. Okay. So after you review your request, just click submit guys. Okay. Okay, so after that one guys, we have balance of 0.55 dirham. So for me guys, forfeit the account balance. No need to transfer. So just select forfeit the account balance worth 0.55 pills. Then check I have agree. I agree to provide information. Okay, then after that one guys, if that one will be okay, just select proceed. And after that one, guys, service request details, account closure, then quality of service as the reason, then account number, then forfeit the balance, then forfeit yes. Then after this one is this information will be correct, we will submit this request, guys. So this is the information we request. Then confirm. Then after that one, guys, your mobile number registered in your ADCB account will receive an OTP. To enter this OTP to continue our process. Okay, so after submitting the OTP, guys, we will have the message success. That service request details, reference number, account closure, then savings account number, then the account closure status is still pending. So after how many days guys, we will receive an email or message that our account is closed. So thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog.